Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your PlayStation 4 out of safe mode, and this is really easy to do. So to do this, we want to place it into safe mode. Now to get your PlayStation 4 into safe mode, hold down the power button when it's turned on and there's like a pink or blue light on the top. Just hold this down. You will hear one beep initially, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later you will hear another beep, and this will manually shut down your PlayStation 4. Then grab a USB cable just like this, one of the old school phone chargers, and then plug into the front USB slot, and then plug in your controller. And wait for your PlayStation 4 to completely turn off where there's no light on the top here. So it's blinking and it will shut down. Now with your PlayStation 4 completely turned off, hold down the power button once again. You will hear one beep. Then about 5-10 seconds later, you will hear another beep and it will launch your PlayStation 4 into the safe mode menu. Now, with your controller plugged in, press the PlayStation button and you'll be able to operate the safe mode menu. So this has to be plugged in. You cannot control your PlayStation 4 wirelessly in safe mode. Then after pressing the PlayStation button, we can go on down to option number 1, restart PlayStation 4. So try this first. This will simply restart your PlayStation. And then you can go ahead and just play like normal. Otherwise, you can go to option number 2. It'll restart your PlayStation 4, and then it will bring you to a screen where you can change the resolution. Just select automatic. So if option number 1 isn't working, try option number 2. Then if option number 2 doesn't work, go to option number 3, update system software. And then go to update using internet. This is going to apply a fresh copy of the system software to your PlayStation 4. And then you can see if it works or fixes that. Then if that doesn't work, what we could do is try going to option number 4, restore default settings. Now this won't factory reset your PlayStation and delete all the data, but you will be logged out of your account, so you will need your password at hand if you're going to go ahead and do option number 4. Then try option number 5. So you could try this maybe before option number 4 or 6 or 7. Rebuild database. If you are having hard drive issues where your PlayStation is slow or some sort of corrupted data error, go ahead and rebuild your database. It says it will take a few hours. My experience only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So this will restart your PlayStation, then bring you to a screen where it gives you an estimated amount of time, and then it will restart it, and you should be able to play like normal. So try that out. And then option number 6 is initialize PlayStation 4. So this is going to factory default your PlayStation, delete all the data, and you'll have to sign in with your email address to PlayStation Network, and you'll have to sign in with your password. So all that stuff will be forgotten, all your user accounts, your game data. You'll have to download everything again. So this is like a last resort. Then we have option number 7. So you'll have to go on to PlayStation.com and you'll have to download the system software on a USB drive. And then you can go to this option. So if you are having a critical error on your PlayStation where nothing works and the system software is completely bugged, go ahead and do this. So it's going to delete everything, and then you'll have to reinstall the system software on your PlayStation. So you got a bunch of different options to try here if you cannot exit safe mode. But go ahead and go to option number 1, restart PlayStation 4 first, and see if that works. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.